Assalamualaikum and everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a challenge video, and it is a makeup challenge by Milani Cosmetics. If you don't already know, they recently just entered Malaysia. They are now available in Watsons, so I'm really excited to be able to collaborate with them to do this makeup challenge. And to be honest, I really like makeup challenges. I just don't film much makeup challenges. The makeup challenge today is the 5 fingers challenge. Basically, the 5 fingers challenge is having to apply your eyeshadows with only using your fingers. No brushes allowed. And that's it. So let's get right into the challenge. Okay, so I dah ke belakangkan sikit my tudung so we can straight go on to the foundation. Of course, I will be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Now I'm just gonna do a little bit of concealing, and to do that, of course, I will be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. Done with the base. Okay, obviously I have done my brows and I've also put on some primer on my eyes. So we can go straight on to the challenge. I have the 5 Gilded palettes here with me, but I'm gonna choose the green one today because obviously I'm wearing green and I love to match my eyeshadow to my outfit, so we're going with green. Okay, so first of all, I am going to use the shade Grounded. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to use my brush. Use my middle finger for this one. Apply it all over my eyes. Okay, so then I'm gonna go on with the shade Edible and apply this on my crease. The smaller the finger, the easier it is to get into the crease. That's as perfect as I can get it to be. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this very green shade, which is Jaded, and apply it on the outer and inner corners of the eyes. Ooh, not bad. The green color really pops out even without concealer. I'm using the color that's deep, which is like a darker green color, and applying it on top of Jaded. So I have something like that. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. And then in the center, I'm gonna put the shade, the Envy Off, right at the center. It's so hard to get it like precise. Trying my best. Now just gotta make it work somehow. just feel like it's so hard to get it even. The left and the right. Trying my best. Yeah, I kind of don't want to fix it anymore because I'm scared I'm gonna make it worse. So you know what, never mind, I think that's okay. I'm gonna take this shade Jaded. I'm gonna use my ring finger again, apply that on the lower lash line. Okay, maybe you should use your baby finger. Maybe put a little bit of that deep, like right on the outer corners. Now all that's left is the inner corners. Okay, I'm gonna use the shade Aura over here. And done. That's the eyeshadow look that I came up with. I'm gonna do the rest of my eyes and I will be right back. Anyways, as you can see, I put on some falsies and did my eyeliner, put on mascara. So my eyes part is pretty much done. I also did some bronzing. Next, I'm gonna do my favorite part, which is the blusher. And the blusher that I'm gonna use today is the Milani Berry Amore 03 blush. It's a baked blush. Since I think the cheek has a little bit of sheen to it already, I'm not going to put highlight on there. But I'm just going to apply this highlighter from Milani. This is the Strobelight Instant Glow Powder, and this is in the shade 01 Afterglow. And then we go on to the lips. For the lips, since my eyes are like really bold and bright, I'm gonna use a more neutral color, and today I am going to use the shade 05 I Am Pretty. I'm gonna mix this with a little bit of the shade 16 I Am Fierce. You know what, I'm also gonna add this color 10 I Am Confident. And here is the final look. Okay, so that's it. This is the final look that I have created, especially with the fact that I have to do my eyeshadow with my fingers. This Milani Gilded eyeshadow palette is really good to be used with your fingers. The moment I swatched it, I can already tell that it's very pigmented, and it's so easily transferable in the sense that when I swatched it on my finger and then on my hands, the color from my finger transferred beautifully on my hand. So it was so easy to apply the color, the pigment from the eyeshadow palette onto my eyes. It was also not too difficult to blend it out. To me, the matte formula in this are more to the dry side. On the other hand, their shimmers are more to the wet side. I love the highlight that I used here on the inner corners of my eyes. All in all, I am actually really impressed with the formula of this Milani Gilded palette, and I cannot wait to try the rest of the Gilded palettes that I have. So yeah, if you ever get around to checking out Milani Cosmetics, do check out their eyeshadow palette. And if you're up for it, you can also do the 5 fingers challenge, and if you decide to take it up, post it on your social media, and don't forget to tag me and also Milani Cosmetics Malaysia in your post and hashtag 5 fingers challenge. I guess that's all from me today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, as usual, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, as always, you can click on the subscribe button below. Alright? I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.